Introduce features highlight or overview summary about Fichiouy 16x 24-inch flat heat press machine with digital display. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Features highlight or overview summary include: Professional heat transfer machine. The silicon pad of our 16x 24-inch flat heat press machine can endure maximum 350 degrees without any distortion. Teflon coated on the heat plate, convenient and attractive appearance. Non-stick surface preventing scorching of transfers, and does not require a separate silicone/Teflon sheet. Detached upgraded aluminum's alloy cradle for use of the mugs, plates, hats and pads elements. Aluminum heat plate. The heating pipeline is connected with heating plate, so the working surface can be heated evenly in short period, so the machine is safe and durable. Aluminum heat plate. Heating uniformity on the surface. Durable to use. The processing time of the digital heat press machine is electronically controlled, and the finalization of process steps is warned by light. The working surface is covered by imported heat-resistant cloth, so it has a long working life and is easily cleaned. Multi-purpose application. The heating plate with a full range of heating coils to allow for consistency throughout its surface, good in heat transfer printing on t-shirt, bags, puzzles, mouse pads and more. Suitable for both home and commercial use. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.